Hi lovies, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all here. Before we get started, I'm gonna do this quick Walmart haul for you guys. So we got some bathroom tissue. It's a 4-roll. We got this for Tiana, just because she be starting school soon, and they don't have wipes at the school. Well, I'm assuming the kids use tissue, toilet paper, so we gotta practice her to use this because she's been using wipes all her life. We got 2 of these. Holly, I love this scent. This is a watermelon scent, and if you guys are new here, then this one is my favorite. And we got another one. I forgot which one this is. Mango. So these are my 2 favorite scents. We got the Axe Dark Temptation and the black, whatever this one is. I love these scents though. They make the bathroom smell so good after a shower. I mean, And we got this Finish Powerful Quantum dish pads. And so yes, the dishwasher is finally fixed, so I don't have to be hand washing a ton of dish like I used to. I got this Method all-purpose cleaner to test out. This is a citrus one. It smells so good, guys. I hope it does a good job to test out, because I've been using my cleaning mixture all-purpose since I got pregnant, so something new. I got this granite and stone clean and shine for the bathroom and kitchen counters. We got this orange glow. I've never used this before for wood furnitures, so this we'll be using on the furnitures. And we ran out of trash bags, so we picked up this Glade scented trash bag. I got these little cup hooks to hang. I got a shelf that I need to hang up in the living room, so I got this and some other decor. And we got this leather conditioning wipes to wipe off the sofa. On the website they said not to use anything on the sofa, just warm water and soap. But I'm gonna try this on a small area first before I use the entire thing. And we picked up this Pepsi and a bottle of alcohol that will be already open, so it's not here right now. And I totally forgot the candles because I'm on my last candle, so I forgot the candles. And there's something else I wanted that we forgot, so we're gonna have to make another run back to the store. So let's jump into this cleaning motivation. Alright guys, so this is the girls play area, and this is what it is currently looking like right now. It is a total mess. It is a hot mess, so we are going to tackle this right now and get this out the way. So this is what I'll be working on today, this and the bathroom. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is not the original video I had planned for you guys for today. I actually have the living room makeover video filmed, but I'm not completely done with editing it and doing the voiceover. And I also decided not to put it out today. I'll do it for Saturday, just because I received some more packages this morning, and I'm just going to add those stuff to it. I'm still waiting on more stuff to come, so there might be a part 2 of the video, but I'm just going to add those. It took me a number of days to film the living room makeover, because as I got the package I just kept adding stuff. So in that video you'll see me in multiple different outfits, because I did it over a course of multiple different days. Guys, it's legit 11:30 something. I'm trying to do this voiceover for you guys, and this child just won't shut up. Y'all heard her just now cleaning her throat. I don't know, she's been doing this since she was 6 months old. I asked the doctor about it, but the doctor said that the pediatrician said that she doesn't think that it's sinus, because babies don't normally get sinus that young, but I honestly don't know any baby who does that. And I only know people who suffers with sinus issues who does that. So if you guys have any idea what the hell she does, why she's doing it, please leave a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, on this particular night, I believe it was after 10, and later on in the video you're going to see her in a different onesie and her hair totally combed, because the following day was Father's Day, and I decided to just wash her hair late that night and give her a bath so I could comb it that way when we got up in the morning to get ready to go out. I wouldn't have to comb her hair and her hair would still be neat and tidy. That just works for me, so that's what I do.
Springtime is my favorite time of year. You and I like to lay low, sail out and sail go. Hold me tight in the stormy night, in the morning see the rainbow. Spring fly my perils, do you see my halo? Dive into my ocean,
So guys, you might have not have noticed, but we got a new shower head and a new toilet bowl, and I am super excited because that shower head has made cleaning the tub and washing the girl's hair so much more easier. And giving Tiana her back. Here she go again, clearing her throat. But I apologize guys, I can't do any better because this video needs to be ready by 2. So guys, if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you Saturday for the living room makeover. Love you all. Have a blessed week.